Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. As you breathe, let your body wake up gently. Feel the air filling your lungs, your chest expanding, your shoulders relaxing. This is the start of a new day, a fresh page, ready to be written. Breathe in energy. Breathe out anything heavy from yesterday. Let go of stress, unfinished thoughts, or doubts. They do not belong to this morning. Today is a clean slate. Now bring to mind one thing you're grateful for. It could be a person, a moment, an opportunity, or even this quiet time for yourself. Let that gratitude fill you from the inside out. When you focus on what's good, you invite more of it into your life. As you sit here, set a gentle intention for your day. It could be, I will stay calm under pressure. Or I will focus on what matters most. Or simply, I will move through today with positivity and clarity. Hold that intention in your mind as you breathe deeply. Repeat quietly to yourself, I am present. I am capable. I am ready. See yourself moving through your day with focus, confidence, and ease. Tasks flowing naturally. Challenges handled with grace. Opportunities recognized and embraced. Feel how light and productive that energy is. Remember, you don't have to control every detail for your day to go well. You simply need to show up with presence, patience, and trust. When your mind stays clear and focused, your actions naturally follow. Let this morning be a reminder that you are in charge of your energy. You decide how you react, how you show up, and how you move through the hours ahead. Choose to move with intention and positivity. Take one more deep, steady breath in, and let it go slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes, bring this calm, focused energy with you, and step into your day knowing you are ready to make it a great one.